In this video, we're going to be going over slope-intercept form and how we can write an equation of a line if we're given the slope and the y-intercept. So let's begin by what is slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is when we have y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and the b is our y-intercept. So if we have the slope and we have the y-intercept, we can simply just plop them or substitute them right into our equation. So we're going to do a few examples so we can see how this works. So here we have a slope of -1. So remember that's our m. And here we have a y-intercept of 0. And remember that's our b. So we know what our m is and we know what our b is, and we can plug that in. So y equals -1x plus 0. And now we just need to kind of clean it up, because we don't normally write -1 times x. So we would write this as, let's see, y equals a -x, and we don't really write plus 0. So here, this would actually end up being our solution. Let's try letter B. Here we have a slope of 0. So slope, our m is 0, and our y-intercept is 9. So that's our b. So let's plug that in. So here we're going to have y equals 0 times x plus 9. Okay, well, what's 0 times x? That's right, it's 0. So we'll have y equals, and we'll leave the 0 off because we don't write that down, and we just have our positive 9. So y equals 9, and that's going to be our solution. Let's do another one, because they don't all have zeros in them. So here we have a slope of 2, so our m is 2, and here we have a y-intercept of -3, so that's our b. So let's go ahead and let's plug that in. So we're going to have y equals 2 times x, and it's not a plus, it's a minus because it's a negative, so -3, and there's nothing to simplify, so that's going to be our answer. Y equals 2x minus 3. It's really just that simple. So I want you to go ahead and try letter D on your own. And so go ahead and push pause, give it a whirl, and when you're done, push play, and let's see if you are right. So here we have a slope of 1/3, and we have a y-intercept of 2. So we're simply going to plug that in. So y equals our m, which is 1/3, times x plus b. And here our b is a positive, so it gets to stay a plus. And we can't reduce that or simplify that. And so we get y equals 1/3 x plus 2. And we're done.